Welcome back. This is Todd with more cPanel tutorials, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk about FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, which is usually on the port 21 and 22, I believe. And in this video we're going to set up an FTP account and access it. First thing you're going to need is a web hosting account to do this on, which will have an FTP server that's already set up and ready. But you also need a FTP client. Recommendation is, of course, FileZilla. Everybody knows a FileZilla. So, to create an FTP account, underneath Files here, click FTP Accounts, and we are going to really quickly create an account. I'm just going to create one. And delete it afterwards. Limited. This is where you show exactly where you want it to have specific access to. If we want access to everything as a whole, we just make it home solid shell / public _ HTML. Or if we want that person only have access to a certain portion, to a certain directory, such as Todd. But I'm just going to give myself access to public HTML. I'm going to create the FTP account. So I have my username and password. Alright, here. I'm going to open up FileZilla, the host, solidshellsecurity.com, Todd Martin at solidshellsecurity.com, password, port 21, and hit Quick Connect. Cannot connect the server. I think I have feeling why. Alright, there. And now I have access to the public HTML of the web hosting account that I have set up in cPanel. And here I can upload videos, like I have my directory here. Let's say I want to upload something as an example. Let's say I want to upload a picture or a folder. Just right click and hit upload, and it will upload it to solidshellsecurity.com /video dev, and then it would appear right in here. So let me find a file real quick. Desktop. Test. We'll upload that. Now whenever I go to videodev.solidshellsecurity.com, first I'll be greeted by my index page, which is also another thing I should bring up real quick. cPanel will automatically recognize if it's index.html that has priority to be the first thing shown. Same thing with index.php. So that's why whenever you go to a lot of sites you see index and then a file extension, and that's the website, that's the page you get. Now if we go to /test, we get should be my directory here, which has nothing in it. So that's how to work FTP and FTP, and how to create FTP accounts and give them permissions of where they can access, which is right here once again. You can also do a quota of how much they can upload at a time. I set myself to unlimited. Here you can change the password, change the quota, configure the FTP account, which don't really need, and then delete. I'm going to go ahead and delete this account. And that's it. Really, really simple to use cPanel.